After weeks of rumors and teasers, Nikon is finally revealing its Z series.
Its first full-frame mirrorless camera system.
Damn.
I'm almost ready!
Hey, you!
Bonjour my dear high-tech fans and welcome back to my channel. If we're meeting for the first time,
Salut, my name is Céline, I'm a TV journalist and I'm here to talk about tech with you. So
if you like high-tech reviews, tutorials and vlogs, you should consider subscribing. Okay, first of all, I would like to talk about the autofocus.
remember in one of my latest videos when I talked about my Nikon D5500 and its lame autofocus? It's so slow, many times inaccurate, it's trying to focus even though there isn't anything moving on the screen. Oui, on s'en souvient. Well, here with the new Nikon Z7,
As we say it in French, ça n'a rien à voir.
it's a world of a difference compared to my model and it features revolutionary autofocus. The Z7 packs a groundbreaking autofocus system that boasts a whopping 493 autofocus points that covers 90% of the viewfinder area.
Ooh la la! How did you improve the autofocus compared to the other models?
Yeah, because you have a completely new system. In video, in the past with the DSLR, the autofocus system was separated from the sensor. While now the autofocus is a hybrid system, the autofocus is on the sensor, face detection autofocus. So you can use the face detection autofocus during the video, which in the video menu you can really adapt to a slow or smooth following focus or the way you want to handle the autofocus in video.
What about the other models? Eh bien oui, there are two models, my friends. The new Nikon Z6 is designed to be a complete high-speed, low-lights camera. It features the backside illuminated 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor with a native ISO range of 100 to 51,200, backed by an X-Speed 6-image processor.
And wait for it, the Z6 can do 12 frames per second continuous shooting. Awesome, right? The Z7 films in 30 frames per second in 4K. What about the Z6?
Same.
Aside from the handful of ways in which the Z6 and Z7 differ, the two cameras are identical in physical design. Both cameras feature durable, dust and drip resistant builds and a large, firm grip for secure and comfortable holding. On the top of the cameras is a relatively large information display, two dials, a dedicated video recording button, an ISO selection button and an exposure compensation button next to the shutter button. Compared to other brands, like Sony, Nikon may be late to market with its two new full-frame cameras, the Pro Z7 and the Z6 more affordable prosumer mirrorless camera. But from what I have experienced so far, Nikon has improved a lot. Exactly like the other brands, such as the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and the 2 Zoom, Nikon offers two cameras with different prices and, of course, different options.
What?
So I've heard that the Z7 and Z6 can shoot 120 frames per second in 4K?
In Full HD.
In Full HD, does it crop a little or not?
A little bit because you extend the number of images, so you have a small crop in high speed. Yeah.
What about the batteries? I've heard that you need to buy an extra battery because it doesn't last long.
The battery is the same battery as you have with a D850, for example, so you will have nearly the same battery life in video as with the D850. Of course, It depends what you're doing and so on, but it's the same battery as the 850.
Now, you remember 1 minute ago I was saying that the Z6 was more affordable than the Z7. Now, brace yourself, here are the prices.
Another additional specs I wanted to point out is the 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen.
Oui, malheureusement, yes, my fellow YouTubers, creators, influencers, vloggers.
You have heard it well.
It's a tilt screen. Really, Nikon?
Why Nikon? Pourquoi?
Can we say that the Z7 and the Z6 are more for photographers than videographers because of the tilt screen?
I think if you only look to the tilt screen, maybe if you talk for vloggers, but there are solutions. If you look really to video, I think the cameras are now really completely also video proof. Let's say with the analog 10-bit 422 output with the focus peaking zebra from 182 to 55. You have the autofocus now. You have all functions you need. If you want a compatibility avec the Atomos, it's no problem. So in video-wise, there is no issue.
But let's not stop at that detail. The Z7 records videos in 4K at 30 frames per second, 1080p video recording at 60 frames per second, and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities.
During the press conference, you said that it was movie-friendly. What does it mean?
Movie-friendly means that it's have all the options now for movie as requested by professional cameraman.
Et voilà. Ah, some of you would like to know more. Je comprends. I will, of course, if Nikon lets me test it more thoroughly, make another full video of it after testing it in the wild.
I had a fun time chatting with you. Please hit on the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it too, and if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel. Merci if you did subscribe already. Take care, be nice to one another, and I will see you next Monday. Ciao, ciao! Alors Olivier, expert de Nikon, est-ce que tu peux m'expliquer un petit peu ce qu'on fait ici?
Alors je vais vous présenter le Z7 qui est le dernier appareil de Nikon.